Hello, my name's Adam Barr and I am a Prodex customer, and I just wanted to show you all how we're using this product. It's a great product. We're doing a couple different things with it in our addition to our house. First is underneath the trusses we have used a 2-foot long, 2-foot wide Prodex product to seal up just below our metal roof. And we're using it, we have a peaked ceiling, so we're using it to drop down and keep it tight on that ceiling as a transition point between the interior and the exterior. See it there. We also are using a brick panel product, which is kind of hard to see at this point, but the brick panel is backed by this Prodex product. We actually cut strips where the brick panel is screwed to the studs and the Prodex is against the frame, and then a strip of Prodex on the stud, and then these brick panels, which are concrete backer board and half brick, they're screwed through the Prodex strip, through the Prodex that lines the framed wall, and into the studs. And yeah, we're just adding on a little extra R value to our exterior, and between the Prodex and the ceiling and another product that we use right underneath the metal, we're going to have about an R28 between the two products, and that's even before we blow in any insulation into the attic. So we're pleased with how it went on, and excited to see how this performance works. But the HVAC guy that we're working with is already impressed with what he's seen. So yeah, thank you, Prodex.